For our second Halloween project, we're going to make our spider web and spider out of paper and simple folding cutting techniques. And the first step was to grab your large white paper that's a square shape. And with this paper, fold it in half this direction. So it's a triangle shape. And then fold it again this way. And again, make another fold going like this in half. So once you have this shape, fold it this way. And our last fold will be folding in this side. So once you have your triangle, flip it around this side and fold it in this way. So this part's flat going along this side of the paper. So it looks like this. And with your pencil, I want you to draw a simple web design, and I'll show you how to do that. When you think of webs, think of curves. And you don't have to put too many lines. For example, I only put 3 sections for my web. So draw it from this side that's folded, or the side that's open right here. Draw a little like elongated U's or curves. And don't draw it all the way to the side of the folded side, because that's where you're gonna keep that middle part of the web, so when you unfold it, it stays together. So just draw your shape here. And make and connect these two with this right here and keep this part empty. And we do it with marker, so make it be a little more clearer. And again, you don't have to rush this, take your time. So at the end, your web looks like, so the end of your fold and tracing looks like this. And with your scissors, you're gonna cut your first curve like this. And that's pretty much the only cut you're gonna have from this side to that side. The rest of the cuts, you're not gonna go all the way. So I'll be cutting it this way, and this way. And you should be able to cut it, but if you need help, ask an adult or maybe an older teen brother or sister to help you. Got one cut. Cut this section out right here. Cut one more. And again, when I make these cuts, I'm not going all the way to the edge. Once I have my cuts, I'm going to unfold my web. So now you see I have my completed web. And quickly we're going to make our second part of our web. We'll add our spider, which will be using a black piece of construction paper. And for my purposes, I just made 2 circles. And this side I made, well, spiders have 8 legs, so I made 4 lines going this way. And then I divide them in half by putting a line in the middle. Let's see, and I'll show you what I did for the legs real quick. So I just cut, these are my 4 lines. And then I made a line here in the middle. So each piece of paper has 4 legs for our 8-legged spider. Then we go ahead and cut my circles, the spider body, and spider head. Once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the head and the body together. Like this. And for the legs, I kind of made a little accordion, so I just kind of folded in the legs like this. So I'll do that to all 8 of the legs, just folding them. Like you may do like a paper fan. And they don't have to be even or perfect. Just enough to get that dimension of the spider leg, so it looks like it's on the spider web. As you're doing this too, just think about how each side has a little tab almost. So each tab, either side of the spider leg, just go ahead and glue it to your body, to the back side of the body. And go ahead and put 4 legs on each side, so 4 on the left, 4 on the right. So now I have 4 on my right side, I'm going to do the 4 on the left. Again, you can use the bottle glue, you can use the stick glue for this project. Now I'm adding my 4th, or actually my 8th and final leg. So now I have my spider. So now with the glue, you can add the spider anywhere you want on the web. Add my spider to the web, I'm gonna add it right here. And let it dry for a moment. And then you have your completed spider web. And you can hang it around your house for a Halloween decoration. In your bedroom, the living room, wherever you like. And that concludes today's project, and I'll see you next time for our next Halloween project. Thank you.